And once the display turns back on and shows your desktop normally, your Lenovo monitor has successfully exited power saving mode. This mode is a normal feature designed to save energy when the monitor stops receiving a signal from your computer. When a Lenovo monitor shows a black screen or a no signal message, it usually means there's a connection or resolution issue rather than a faulty screen. Start by waking the monitor using simple actions like moving the mouse, pressing a keyboard key, or tapping the monitor's power button. Also confirm both the monitor and computer are powered on by checking the LED indicator lights. If the screen stays black, inspect the video cable. Whether you're using HDMI, DisplayPort, VGA, or USB-C, make sure the cable is firmly connected on both ends and isn't damaged. Restarting both the monitor and computer can also fix temporary communication issues. If you're using a docking station, unplug it and connect the monitor directly to the computer to rule out dock-related problems. For messages like input signal out of range, the issue is usually an unsupported resolution. Boot your computer into safe mode, which loads a basic display resolution, then change your screen resolution to one your monitor supports. To avoid frequent power saving mode, adjust screen off and sleep timers in Windows power settings and keep your graphics drivers up to date. Lenovo's Display Control Center can also help manage power and display behavior more effectively. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we explained how to wake a Lenovo monitor from power saving mode and fix no signal issues step by step. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy display fixes.